Hey guys, how you doing? I'm fine. Sammy's a little under the weather. He's not doing too good today. He is not eating, but we gave him some medicine and some Gatorade, and I think he'll be all right. So anyway, been waiting on one package, and it's an extremely early birthday present from TJ. I thought I'd open it up. We're excited about it. Okay. Oh, it's another box. It's a heavy box. Oh, but then, guess what? Woo! Oh my God, there's one of those rings in there. Oh. Okay. Tools. I have seen that ring. It's to close the things.
The things.
Yeah, the little circle thing.
Oh yeah.
What are those?
Jump ring.
Jump ring. God, if I only had a brain. But I was seeing those and I'm thinking, oh my God, I want one of them. Okay. Oh good, these will fit my hands. Oh my God. I got, these are needle nose pliers. Well, this one. I know another, it's kind of like that, but shorter. And then I got bent nose pliers. So you can get in there and this, as I've been waiting, oh shit, that hurt. Just to remind you guys that these are cutters and they're sharp. No, it didn't hurt. I'm kidding. Anyway, they flat cut so they don't leave as much. Oh my God. And this thing, a ring, what do they put it on their finger or put it on your finger? And I'll use this little nifty one. Hold it with this, and you put your, I forgot about the shaking. Will she ever get it in the slot? Okay, you're supposed to go like that. Can you see? This is frustrating.
When you try to demonstrate anything, you're gonna be nervous.
I'm not nervous. It's just, if I could say that word right now. And you can you get it? See? And you bend it and it opens, and then you put it in the little slot and you bend it back. You get the idea, right? Those are cool. Those are cool. Thank you. Oh, I forgot these. Cutter. I thought that didn't look right. Cutters. Woo. Okay, now. Okay. Where'd they go? I just had scissors. Oh. Okay. We are going to be trying to make some stuff. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, look how cute is this. You should come over here. Oh, it's a little... Oh, little earring things. What's this? The little mold. It's a lot littler than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Can I even see? Yeah, okay. Oh, my little rolling pin. Woo.
If it's not what you want, we can send it back.
No, I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. Don't take my stuff up, Indian giver. Don't do that. I thought this was cardboard at the bottom.
What is
It's
it?
my rolly thingy.
Oh.
Okay. All right. I know. I'm going to show you. But I'm really excited about this case. Oh, it's so small. Okay. It is Polymer clay. 93 colors. I think it was 93, wasn't it? 93. Anyway.
90-something.
90 something. Comes in a little case. With some tools. Woo. And more tools. And some, what is this? Beads and other little things.
Baby. Twinkles.
And look at, oh my God, they're almost the size of those other ones.
Wow.
Yeah. They're, I think they said they're an ounce. And it's a 3-tier box, so I can close. I just closed that one, and now I'm going to open the second one. Or the last one.
I was wondering how they were gonna, if you were gonna have to dig through that box. That's really cool.
Yeah.
That'd be great for beads, Bill.
Oh my God, yes it would, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh. Yeah. But then what would I put the clay in? Look at all these colors. What we're going to try and do, I got this little zippy lock thing. Yeah.
She's gonna start crying.
We got these little things that we're going to try and make cabochons.
I'm
Come here.
sorry. Okay. It's the doggy parade. Man, how's that look like? Come here. There. I'm sorry. Our babies come first.
Huh?
I said our babies come
Oh,
first.
hell yeah. So, anyway, I guess this is a scraper.
Yeah.
And we're going to try and make some, what do they call it? Faux gems.
Yeah.
Fake gems.
And charms.
And charms. Look at those little things. They're molds. You put the stuff.
That'd be perfect size for charms.
It would be. It would be. Oh no. I don't quite understand. So, I'll do that later. Anyway, got some stuff
We'll
to
read the instructions
play with.
later.
Is there an instruction book? It didn't come with an instruction book.
Are you kidding me?
unless it's in the bottom of one of these suckers. Oh, wait. Sneaky.
Did it have a lot of pretty colors still?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Pretty colors. Has an instruction booklet. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Anyway. So I am waiting on a couple packages that I got from some friends from YouTube. And I thought, well, while I'm doing waiting on a package from Matt. Oh, okay. What I failed to realize is I was supposed to be in Central Florida today, and I go to leave, or I did something yesterday, and I figured out that my debit card is expired. You know, they do that whatever. Huh?
You went to get gas.
I went to get gas, but my debit card was expired, and I wasn't thinking. And so I'm thinking, oh no. So I called my bank, and at least I didn't lose it this time. So I called my bank, and they said, oh, we've already mailed out a duplicate card, the new card. And I thought, ugh, what am I going to do? I don't want to drive up to Newport to get it, you know, take a lot of gas. And so I called my friend, and she said it was already there. And so I said, okay, hold on. I got my brother and asked him if he would send me the package down. And I said, oh, by the way, I have a couple other packages there. Can you send them down too? So I'm waiting here for my debit card and at least two packages from a couple of YouTubers. And I'm just so excited to get those. And but I am leaving. I am leaving after I get the package, okay?
It's like Bermuda Triangle.
Yeah, I know, it just... But in the meantime, we're going to play with clay and see what we can come up with. I think it'll be fun. I wish I had...
That's what they let people do in the Homeville.
Oh, is it? I should fit right in then.
We can't get in too much trouble.
Yeah, I mean, if they have clay and yarn at the home,
But
hey,
there
I'm
you go.
good. I'm good to go. So that's it. I'm sorry if I got all excited and didn't make much sense here.
Oh, your Valentine's Day.
Hold on.
Okay, I just...
Push. That's all she does. She's pushing me, guys. She's pushing me. She's mean. She's mean. The Valentine's contest, okay? I'm going to be having it Sunday, Valentine's Day. Were we going to do a live? Oh, Monday, I'm sorry. Were we going to do a live? I don't think it was. No, I'm just going to have it Monday, and I'm going to do it in the thingy, the computer thing, and let it pick out, because I don't want anyone saying, oh, you played favorites. So, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let the computer do it so there's no misunderstandings and everything. And you have, from when I told you about it at the first, until Monday morning, because I'll probably do the drawing at noon. So if you haven't got it, if you didn't come in by noon, I'm sorry, okay? So I'm interested in the contest, right?
I thought you said jewelry.
Jewelry?
You said jewelry, I thought. Or contest or jewelry.
Contest jewelry, yeah. Interested in the jewelry. Oh my God.
It's been one of those days.
It's been crazy. Anyway, you have from now until Monday morning to get your name in, and then I'll have the drawing, and I'm giving away 3. God, my hair is not cooperating either. Can anything else go wrong? This video sucks. I don't even know if I should put it. I should just start all over
Oh,
again.
no.
Yeah, enter if you want to. God. Oh.
Jewelry or contest?
Yeah, jewelry contest, whatever. So anyway, I'm leaving now this is the stupidest video ever.
Cringy will love it.
Oh yeah, Cringy will love it. Okay, I'm done. Take it easy, take the long way home. Woo.